Welcome to the ultimate guide to the future of tech. In the fast-paced world of DevOps, staying ahead is the game changer. Join us as we unlock the top DevOps skills needed in 2024. From mastering cloud architectures to building security fortresses, we are delving into the vital skills shaping the tech landscape. Get ready to unravel the roadmap to DevOps success and set your sights on the tech horizon. Let's get started. Number 1. Continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. CI/CD, the backbone of modern software delivery, makes integrating code changes and deploying them smooth and fast. Tools like Jenkins and GitLab take care of testing, version control, and deployment, cutting down manual work. Learning these tools might take a bit of time, focusing on version control, scripting, and how systems run. To get better at CI/CD, trying hands-on projects like setting up pipelines for web apps or automating testing can be a game changer. Number 2. Cloud architecture and Kubernetes. Knowing about cloud architecture and mastering Kubernetes is a big deal today. Companies are all about cloud services and using Kubernetes to manage apps stored in containers. Learning these involves understanding various cloud services and how to use them to build strong and flexible applications. It also means knowing how to set up and manage containers in the cloud environment. Getting good at this might take some effort, especially learning about networks, containers, and cloud computing. Hands-on practice like deploying small apps with Kubernetes or automating deployments can be a solid way to level up. Number 3. Infrastructure as Code, IAC with Terraform. Terraform is a star in managing infrastructure by writing scripts. It helps set up and manage things like servers or databases without manual configurations. Mastering it means understanding Terraform's language and managing resources across different cloud providers. Getting good at Terraform might not be too hard if you get the basics of cloud architecture. Doing projects like automating cloud setups or managing resources across different cloud platforms can boost your skills in this area. Number 4. Security automation and DevSecOps. Keeping systems secure is top priority, and that's where DevSecOps shines. It's about integrating security into every step of the development process. This needs understanding security principles, spotting threats, and using tools within the development cycle to stay secure. Getting skilled at this might take some time, focusing on security practices and how they fit into development. Trying out projects like setting up security checks in your development process or making sure apps are encrypted can sharpen these skills. Number 5. Data Ops and AI/ML integration. Data Ops mixed with AI and ML is the new thing for smarter decision making. It's about making data-related work smooth and automated and then mixing that data with AI and ML to make awesome decisions. Learning this might need digging into data processing, machine learning, and programming languages like Python, R, or Scala. Projects like building models or setting up data pipelines can give hands-on experience in this fusion of data and smart tech. Before we conclude this exhilarating expedition into the top DevOps skills needed in 2024, envision this. The future is a canvas waiting for your innovation and expertise to paint upon. These skills aren't just a checklist, they are your toolkit for crafting the technological future. Embrace them, immerse yourself in their practice, and let them be the fuel propelling your journey toward mastery. In this rapid evolving tech realm, remember, it's not just about knowing, it's about doing. Dive into project experiments fearlessly and let these skills be the guiding stars illuminating your path to success. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. Do check out the link in the description and pinned comment if you are interested in making a career in DevOps.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital programs, and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.